$13 every single hour searching Google? Is that even possible? I'm gonna give you guys all the details right now on this video. What's up guys, Alvy's TV here again, and I just want to thank you so much for coming back to my channel. You look fantastic today. There's something about you, I don't know what it is, but it just sparkles, and I am so glad to have you guys back here because in this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can work from home and get paid up to $13 an hour just by simply searching Google. Now, before we do that, I just want to have you guys come over, subscribe to my channel because I make videos every single week teaching you guys how to become an entrepreneur, how to work from home, and how to make more money online. Now, if you would like to gain a more passive income and make more money online while you travel, while you sleep, while you're on vacation, this is the exact same thing I'm doing, by the way. Make sure you check out the link down below in the description of this video right now, and I will share some more information on how you can do that today. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with this video. I'm going to show you how to become a search engine evaluator right here on this video. It will be your job to determine the relevancy of pages based on a specific search term, okay? So let's go through this. I'm going to show you step by step how this works. Then what I'll do is I'm going to show you the companies that are going to pay you for doing this. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started here. I'm over on Google, and once you are enrolled for the position, you will be given a specific search term or query to search for. Alright, so just as an example, I've already done a couple. So let's just say you're searching for something like Krispy Kreme, which is a donut shop. It is actually a fairly local one in my area. You probably have heard of this before also. Now, notice that right as we search Krispy Kreme and this page loads, you can see instantly that the first result is actually the company itself in its main page, okay? This obviously brings up a clearly relevant result. Now, as we scroll to the bottom half, you're gonna notice things like their Twitter profile, their Facebook page. What you're going to notice is this search term for Krispy Kreme is very well optimized, and everything on this list is actually related to the restaurant. All right, let's go ahead and search for another one right here. This one is a little more complicated, but to give you guys an idea, okay? And this one here, you see I've already typed it, is how to replace display on iPhone 11. Now, I don't really know much about replacing displays on an iPhone, so this is kind of new for me. So I'm gonna look through these results, okay? I'm looking for, clear instructions. People are searching for these terms every day, and your purpose is to find web pages that specifically show somebody how to do this, okay? These are real search terms that people need answers to. All right, so as we going through, we'll check out this one. Apple announces display repair warnings for new iPhones. This looks like an article discussing different problems. Display message about the display. This is problems with the display. This one does not seem relevant to our search, okay? It's very general. It's not actually giving us clear instructions for a very specific search. Moving on. Keep in mind that you are going to be rating these as we go. So the next link here is an article, it looks like, that is giving us, okay, step-by-step instructions with images. Okay, good. Good. Now, this one is a perfect example of a very relevant search result, okay? So this is something that should be ranked higher up on the Google search term. All right, so what exactly are you guys going to do next is you're going to rate the websites ranked on Google for that search term. Now, you're going to rate these pages 1 to 5 based on the results. A number 5 would be you find the page most relevant. Number 4, very relevant. Number 3, relevant. And number 2, slightly relevant. And number 1, irrelevant. So enter your rating, move on to the next search term, and it's it's really just that simple. Now, if you haven't ever heard of the quarry or you don't understand it well, then that's okay. Just take some time, do the research online. Just searching for the quarry will help you understand the term and what the user wants. So now, who is going to be paying you for this? Well, one of these companies is called Lionbridgecom. Now, they just updated their website. It looks amazing with a fresh new design. So the company is really growing here now, and if you join this company and become an evaluator, you're going to earn $13 an hour doing this, and they will give you up to 20 hours per week, which comes out to be somewhere just over $1,067 per month. That is going to pay some bills, guys. If you want more hours working for this company, then you need to apply to be a social media assessor position, and that will add about another 20 working hours a week for a total of 40 hours a week. So a pretty decent idea. All right, so now over here on Indeed.com, they have a good rating, about a 3.7 out of 5. Now you guys can come over here and check out the reviews. Now a lot of people say it is fantastic, really good to work from home. It works on their schedule. They love the opportunity to have their own hours. It seems like it is a decent place to work. Overall, a 3.4 out of 5 review on Indeed.com. So definitely go ahead and check out the reviews before you guys join this company. Now, I wanted to include one other company that gives you guys and shows you how you can do basically the same thing that's a little bit of a similar job. Now, this company is called Appen. Okay, now right now Appen is a language technology and consulting firm. So like search engine evaluation, you can get paid from this company to become a social media evaluator, okay? The main purpose of a social media evaluator is simply to improve the relevancy of a company's news feed. So like for instance, if you go to Facebook and you see that huge news feed there, you really want to focus on the relevancy for that. And when you're searching on different social media sites, you know, like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you want to be able to do this also. Now, you're going to need to be someone who is a daily social media user, and I know that most people are out there already, which is a great thing. Now, all ages are welcome to do this. Both of these companies are also available all around the world. They have jobs for people in the Philippines, China, Africa, UK, Canada, Mexico, and the United States. So you should be able to pick up a job depending on where you live. Now, this site also pays well in general. People have reported that they are making somewhere around $12 to $14 an hour. Okay, I'll put a screenshot of that on the screen. Now, somewhere in that range, it really just depends on where you live. Like I said, some places you can make more than others, and you can apply also to become a data collector and earn up to $30 an hour working at home. There are always different positions. So if you want to become an independent contractor and work from home, well guys, when you apply to these websites for some part-time supplemental income, becoming a search engine evaluator now, you are still trading time for money right here. You're putting a lot of time in and then you're getting the money back, but you must put in those hours. And if you don't work, you don't get paid. Okay, well, how would you like to make better use of your time, okay? How would you like to learn how to create a full-time passive income right online now? And now this is exactly what I'm doing, and I love it. From what I've heard from you guys are loving this too. So check out the link below in the description of this video right now. Go ahead, click on that link and learn. And right now I will share with you guys exactly how you can create a full passive income just working from home. Okay, so go ahead, check out that link right now, and that is it for this video, guys. If you like it and you found some value here, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you guys want more videos about making money online, working from home, and becoming an entrepreneur, subscribe to my channel right now, and I will send you guys an update whenever I come out with a new video. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for you guys today. If you made it this far, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Hey, oh, I've been up for like 2 hours. Yo, bitch came through, took a few showers. I don't bop, I just money dance, yeah. That wristwatch costs 100 grand. I don't know what you talking about. If you ain't out here, don't talk about me. Only person in the city right now that's popping up, baby, I do it with